Tech Future. Explore the future today.
Welcome to Tech Future. In this section, we will examine the caravans that you can't believe exist. The Tesla semi-truck motorhome is a green powerhouse, with its strong electric motor serving as its beating heart. It will take you wherever you need to go in complete silence, leaving a minimal environmental footprint. Solar panels power your appliances and fuel your wanderlust with the sun's energy, offering the allure of off-grid living. Falling asleep in the semi-truck motorhome is like entering a peaceful haven, a symbol of the limitless potential that arises from the convergence of technology and sustainability. The stars above serve as a constant reminder of this potential. When the first rays of dawn break through the clouds, you're prepared to face the day, knowing that the path ahead will be gentle on your soul and Mother Earth. Priced at $180,000, the Tesla semi-truck motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement about the future of transportation and a showcase of electric innovation. Imagine a caravan that, when unfolded, reveals a spacious deck and a cozy interior. That's the Romotau. The innovative spirit behind its design makes this mobile home an engineering marvel. With the press of a button, the Romotau's cabin rotates out from its shell, providing a living area that is 70% larger. You can own this luxurious and functional masterpiece for $350,000. The Romotau is not just a mode of transportation, it's a statement. Its elegant style is both modern and classic. Inside, you'll find a kitchen any chef would envy and a dining area with breathtaking views. The bedrooms are superb, ensuring every guest's comfort and providing the perfect place to relax after an exciting day. This mobile home is more than just a trailer. It's a haven of peace and relaxation that takes you on an adventure around the globe. The Eco Capsule brings a visionary concept to life, offering a compact, egg-shaped abode that combines sleek design with cutting-edge sustainability. Powered by the sun and wind, this micro-home doesn't just promise off-grid living, it delivers a luxurious, eco-friendly experience. Starting at $99,900, the Eco Capsule is an investment in both your independence and the planet's health. It's a cozy sanctuary that collects rainwater, filters it for use, and harnesses natural energy to power your daily needs. Inside, every inch is optimized for living, working, or escaping the urban sprawl. It's a statement that you're part of a movement that values sustainability, innovation, and design. Whether used as a countryside retreat, a research station, or a pop-up hotel, the Eco Capsule is versatile, functional, and a testament to the possibilities of green technology. Experience an unparalleled adventure aboard the state-of-the-art Crawler OTAG 620, crafted for the fearless explorer. This monument to endurance and comfort is priced at $156,157. Built with a riveted aluminum body and featuring a distinctive crawler line, the OTAG 620 promises a rugged yet stylish journey. Make yourself at home, even when far from civilization, by personalizing your space. Inside, you'll find a living room that can accommodate 6 people, a kitchen with a 3-burner stove and oven, and a bathroom equipped with a Thetford cassette toilet system. The bedroom has a spacious bed perfect for stargazing, and there's a smart TV and LED lights to keep you entertained and well lit all night long. The OTAG 620 carries your adventurous spirit with its solar panels and external storage for all your gear, ensuring you're always ready for your next journey. Experience unparalleled luxury with the Mellow Grand Empire 26T, luxury on wheels. This motorhome is a palace on the highways built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros 1853L chassis and powered by a 530 horsepower engine, giving it a majestic road presence. Every inch of the interior screams first-class travel. Comfort is never compromised, with ergonomic lounge chairs that adjust at the touch of a button and expansive living space with a slide out for the living room and kitchen. This mobile home allows you to discover new horizons every day. Don't forget the garage, large enough to accommodate a Mini Cooper, making it perfect for both road and street adventures. The Mello Grand Empire 26T embodies self-sufficient luxury and limitless travel, with an expected price of €600,000 to €650,000, a fair price for such a grand and autonomous vehicle. Experience luxury and innovation with the Adria Sonic Supreme motorhome, revolutionizing the way you travel. Priced at $150,500, this premium mobile home boasts a sleek aerodynamic profile and a loft-style interior illuminated by a panoramic window, creating a harmonious design. The Sonic Supreme is a mobile retreat that combines comfort, style, and opulence. Its intelligent design features a sloping rear wall and LED headlights, making it stand out on the road. The complex body technology provides unmatched insulation and durability, while the double-floor construction ensures a flat, step-free living space. Every detail of the Sonic Supreme is crafted for your enjoyment, from luxurious mattresses that promise restful sleep to organized storage spaces that keep your life tidy. Multimedia solutions, such as a Bluetooth sound system with hidden speakers, provide top-notch entertainment on the go. A mobile fortress with a state-of-the-art workshop, this double-decker behemoth draws design inspiration from the majesty of Formula One rigs. Featuring a gripping station, loft machines and shaft cutters, players can have their clubs customized to become extensions of their bodies rather than mere accessories. The truck is 42 feet long, has 450 feet of tinted glass, and weighs an incredible 22 tons of pure innovation. The interior is vast and well organized, housing 1,500 shafts, 1,200 TP5 and TP5X golf balls, and 1,000 grips, all ready for use. The price tag reflects the truck's exceptional value to the PGA Tour and its unmatched capabilities. Getting fitted in this VIP truck at events can cost anywhere from $947 to $50, which can be applied toward club purchases, though the exact amount is not publicly disclosed. Hidden away in a small wheel-free shape, the Hitch Hotel is a work of contemporary art that expands from a compact 3.5 feet to a spacious 7 feet, providing a comfortable refuge for 2 adults. When unfolded, its interior is larger than a queen-sized bed, making it a minimalist traveler's dream. All you need is a hitch-equipped vehicle and an adventurous spirit for those impromptu road trips. The Hitch Hotel is the ideal travel companion. Conveniently located and environmentally conscious. It requires no hookups and produces no emissions, making it a nod to eco-friendly travel. When you're ready to call it a night, this ingeniously designed capsule transforms into a safe, elevated bed, allowing you to sleep soundly no matter where you park it. Purchasing the Hitch Hotel for $4,499 ensures a lifetime of wonderful memories. Blending the tranquility of nature with the needs of remote work, the innovative Nomad Pro camper is designed for the modern nomad. Traveling in the Nomad Pro camper is like entering a mobile sanctuary. After a long day, it becomes a cozy retreat with its retractable bed, kitchenette, wash basin, and shower area. Open the side window to reveal a bamboo deck, bringing the outdoors in and extending your workspace into nature. There are no official plans for the Nomad Pro camper to be sold to the public just yet, but it represents a bold step towards a future where work and play are inseparable. The Nomad Pro camper is more than a vehicle. It's a symbol of a new social movement that seeks to improve people's lives through increased mobility, autonomy, and connection to the restorative power of nature. The discerning nomad will find their perfect match in this magnificent motorhome, combining opulence with practicality and priced at around $225,000. The innovative inflatable roof and sturdy off-road detailing give it a sporty appearance that belies its luxurious interior. Discover a haven of elegance the moment you step inside. The two-story Venture Air showcases an innovative layout that seamlessly blends form and function. The kitchen and spacious lounge loft are complemented by ambient lighting and multifunctional pendant lamps. Control is at your fingertips with the smart HR Connect app. The Venture S is more than just a showpiece. It's a demonstration of style and performance. With its all-wheel drive system and powerful 190 horsepower engine borrowed from the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, this RV ensures you travel in style and comfort, whether you're navigating smooth highways or rugged terrain. The Airstream eStream concept represents the future of travel trailers, standing out as an innovative model for the environmentally conscious explorer. Every detail in this technological and aesthetic masterpiece has been meticulously designed. Imagine a travel companion that not only transports your home amenities, but also propels itself using built-in electric motors. The 22-foot eStream is an engineering marvel, featuring a chassis with advanced aerodynamics and a body that can accommodate 4 people. This mobile home uses solar power and high-voltage batteries, enabling you to escape the grid. Remarkably, the eStream can be positioned into place at a campsite using remote control. Although the eStream is currently just a concept, it promises a more streamlined and interconnected travel experience in the future. Immerse yourself in a world of luxurious surround sound on the Marathon Coach 1379 thanks to the Crestron audio system. Enjoy a private oasis under the stars with the Girard automatic awning. Powered by a 20 kilowatts Kohler generator, this silent engine ensures you stay on the move for all your adventures. Unsung heroes like the TechLink electrical system and the proprietary Freedom Plus sewer system guarantee your trip is smooth and trouble-free. As proof of Marathon's dedication to uncompromising luxury, step into the back bathroom to discover a secluded retreat. At the end of the day, you can relax in the plush, custom-fitted interiors of the 2024 Marathon Coach 345 double slide, which represents the pinnacle of luxurious transportation. Priced at $2.9 million, this coach is more than a purchase. It's an investment in a lifestyle that redefines the way we view travel forever. The luxurious Mercedes RV Armadillo Conqueror T is an overlanding-friendly, all-terrain RV, priced at 10.88 million yuan, ideal for adventurers who value comfort. 4 axles with 14.00 R20 XZL all-terrain tires provide robust performance on various terrains, and its chassis, built by MAN, is known for medium to heavy-duty reliability. The Armadillo Conqueror T features 2 kitchens, 3 refrigerators, and 2 large TVs for a homey feel. The upper deck transforms into a patio with a U-shaped settee and a full kitchen. Mirroring the lower level, a solar panel array on the roof powers onboard amenities, reducing diesel tank use, and despite its size, the RV achieves about 6.5 mpg. Combining luxury and capability, the Armadillo Conqueror T can cross 4-foot deep water and travel 1,400 miles on a full tank, making it ideal for long, remote expeditions. Whether you're heading to a safari or a remote mountain retreat, this RV ensures you travel in style. The innovative, expandable IO camper truck transforms a pickup truck into a spacious RV. Its unique, openable RV body nearly doubles its living space. When closed, it measures 13.8 feet long, 6.9 feet wide, and in height. When deployed, it extends to 19.6 feet long, a 29% increase. Constructed from fiberglass reinforced PE with high-density insulation, the structure is nearly waterproof and weighs 450 kilograms. Two models are available, full and shell. The full model includes a double bed, two single beds, a dining table, a kitchen with a hot plate and sink, an 85-litre refrigerator, storage compartments, and a bathroom with a sink, shower, and either a mobile or cassette toilet, along with other amenities. The IO camper truck is estimated to cost $69,500, with early pre-order discounts bringing the base model to €22,990 or $26,000, according to another source. These prices reflect the IO camper truck's innovative design and functionality, combining RV comfort with truck camper convenience. What do you think about these amazing motorhomes? We're looking forward to hearing your opinions in the comments. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like our channel and subscribe.